Now that we have learned a little more about lists, let's go ahead and try an assignment. So for this assignment, you have to create a list. In the list, you should have menu item, price, an incrementer, a place for entering VAT and total. So let's take a quick preview and see. So this should get populated from a config form, right? So these are the items that are there in the list. And then as you add the quantity, the total should change. If I do add a VAT of 10%, for example, the VAT should get changed here to, the VAT should change here and the total should change as well. Okay. So if I add VAT, accordingly, the amount should change here. If I add quantity, the amount should change. And then the total of all of these values should be displayed here. So this would be your assignment to help you get thorough with lists. Thank you.